First of all, the English was quite easy to read. What I would like to have seen is maybe some more subheadings to help the reader to understand what each particular paragraph or section is about, just to give them signposts where it's going. And the other suggestion I would put forward is that at times sentences just appear to be one idea, another idea, without any linkage between the ideas. So at times it was hard to follow the logic. Rather, it felt like it was just a list of ideas. Thank you.
Thank you.
No more comments yet. I think I could wait those speakers to comment.
Okay. There are some comments from myself. The first is section titles of IMR and D are statistically related, and it is better to follow the structure of IMR and D, and also the keywords and I think it's very good for all of the students to prepare the abstract for this purpose. Then put your name and your student ID at the very beginning of the writing, because most of the abstract we have seen so far, we only see your name through your file name. That are on the paper, so sometimes we're confused which abstract belongs to which student.